I think maybe one of the things that seems to be contradictory to progress is to put the experimentalist on the pedestal instead of the theorists. And a lot of the money and the resources go to making, for instance, a Large Hadron Collider. And there's talk of making one that's even bigger. So it's really expensive, takes a lot of work. But if they've already come to an abrupt halt in terms of the fruit that will bear or the productivity to be gained from doing such, it maybe means it's time to reassess the approach that physics is taking currently. So maybe the mistake is to put too much emphasis on large experiments that cost lots of money, and instead reinvest it in the theorists and also to almost inject philosophy back into physics, like there was quite a bit of philosophy during Einstein's time, and almost like the golden age of physics, where in tandem general relativity came about, as well as quantum mechanics, and then on to quantum field theory and these other things, where there was a sense of awe when they came up with these physical and mathematical descriptions of how things existed, which broke from this common intuition that people maybe had at the time, where everything was classical in a sense, where Newtonian gravity was what it was. But there was no turning back after the early 20th century in terms of space and time being intertwined with one another.